Hello everyone, today I'm making a fabulous one pot curry in the oven. It's so easy. So you add 2 sheets of egg noodles to the bottom of a casserole dish. These are what I've used. Add a roughly chopped white onion and 2 chicken breasts, which I normally cut into about 1-inch pieces. Then pour over the top a tin of light coconut milk. I first saw this recipe on a Facebook reel and thought how genius it was, so I've adapted it a bit, and this is how I make it. So next I sprinkle over a teaspoon of dried ground ginger, and of course you can use fresh ginger if you'd like to, and then a teaspoon of garlic powder, and again you can use fresh garlic if you choose to. And these are my curry powders that I normally use in all my quick curries, and I use 2 tablespoons of medium curry powder and 1 tablespoon of mild curry powder, and so sprinkle those over the top. And then we're going to add some soy sauce, and so I use dark soy sauce, but it's up to you. If you've got light, you can use that. I use 2 tablespoons. And then we've got some tomato puree, and it's 2 tablespoons of tomato puree. Don't try and stir it yet. Then I make up 500 mils of chicken stock. I've used 2 chicken stock cubes to do that. Don't stir it yet. And then we're going to put the lid on and pop it in the oven on 180 for 10 minutes, and then we'll stir it after that. So this is it after it's had the 10 minutes in the oven, and look what's happened to it. It's really nice and hot now, and all the noodles have started to go soft. And so all you now need to do is to give it a good old stir. Stir the tomato paste in, stir the curry spices in, and give it a good old mix. And once I've done that, I then put it back in the oven for about 15 minutes on the same heat, so on a 180, for about 15 minutes. It won't be fully cooked, but I'll show you what we do next. So look at this now. So it's had that 15 minutes and it's looking really lush, and the noodles are all cooked, and the chicken is almost cooked. So just give it a stir, and then we're going to put it back in the oven for another 5 minutes just to reduce and thicken the sauce. And so same heat, 180, for another 5 minutes. And don't put the lid on this time. And so with this gorgeous curry, I'm going to have some greens. So I've got some baby spinach, and I've got some peas, and that's going to be in the bottom of the bowl. And here we are. This is now fully cooked. Look how thick that is now. And everything is lush and cooked, and so it just leaves you to dish it up. And so, as I say, I've got greens underneath mine. You can have whatever you like. You can have broccoli, cauliflower, whatever. Any of the veggies you can put underneath, and then put this beautiful, beautiful curry on the top. So this volume of curry normally makes 3 dishes, and we have quite a lot, and so you'll see that I've already dished one out, and I'm now going to dish the other one out. And I also have enough to fill up a little plastic container for another day. You can freeze it, or you can just pop it in the fridge and then heat it up for your lunch. That is absolutely fabulous. I cannot, honestly, it's so tasty. You're going to have to try it, really are, and let me know how you get on. I know you'll like it. It is beautiful. If you're a curry person, then you will love it. Honestly, try it. Thanks for watching.